I'm Mark Adwalder. I'm the University of South Wales' Director of Strategy and Development. Joining the Academy allowed the university into a new network of organisations that were like-minded to the institution, looking at the future, looking at future challenges. So that new network that we've been able to access, I believe, will hold us in good stead for partnership working across that network, but also with individual organisations.
I was amazed that I was able to be a part of a cohort that had individuals from a variety of sectors across Wales. I was able to go to different conferences and really understand how to be an ethical leader for the future.
It allowed people access to leaders and thinkers that you wouldn't normally see in a leadership program, or you'd be lucky to see in a leadership program. But the individuals had superb access to real forward thinkers in their own domains, and I'm sure that's been to a benefit of them. There certainly is that wow factor. In terms of highlights of the programme from my perspective is seeing our participant, Mish, as he's known, our student union president, just develop. The guy was a very confident, outgoing person starting the programme, but his exposure to the events he's participated in and meeting with colleagues across different sectors that he hadn't engaged before, you can see how he's blossomed over the last 10 months.
I was lucky to be a part of a conference where I was invited onto the stage and share my experiences to the wider world, as it was an online conference in that sense. And it was an amazing experience to really demonstrate of being an ethical leader.